Map layers are used to store different themes of information in your account. To create a new layer, go to the power icon and click on Administration. This admin panel allows you to create, edit and delete layers. To create a layer, click on the plus icon. Firstly, give your layer a title, and then choose a type. You can choose between points, lines and polygons. Then we're going to add some columns. These define what information we can store within each map object. So if I want to add some more information about these bus shelters, I can add columns such as routes, construction type, and insured value. I can always add more later. When I'm done, I'm going to click Save. And that's created, and the layer now appears at the bottom of the list. When I'm done, I'm going to click the icon Back to Maps, and I'll be able to see my new layer in my collection. I can also create a new layer by using a template. Again, I'm going to go to the admin panel and click on the plus button. And this time I'm going to use the drop down in the top right to choose one of the predefined templates. This populates all the fields for me and also suggests some columns. You can edit this, or if you're happy with it, click Save. Again, this will appear in the list and will show in your collection.